my name is Liesel. Today I'm going to show you how to outline any shape, text, or image in Canva. And if you don't have Canva Pro to do your background erasing for you, I will share a free tool with which you can do so. If this is what you're looking for, come with me. I've now opened a new design in Canva. We will go over to Elements, go down to Lines and Shapes. We will first start off with the shapes, and you will see squares, a variety of badges. I will choose the cloud, drag the corners to make it a little bit bigger. I will first change my color to beige. Now you will see on this shape, you've got shape, the color box, and then these three lines. That is your border style. Click on there. You will have a straight line option, a dashed line option, and dots. Let's choose the straight line. I will make my border weight. This is the thickness of the line, a little bit thicker. So let's choose 15. These corner rounding is only for things like squares, where you can maybe make the corners of the square a little bit rounder. Click out of it. Now you can see another box appear, and that's your border color. So let's go and click on there. I want our cloud to have a silver lining, so let's type silver. And there you go. Our first element has been outlined. Let's outline some text. So we will start with text. I will add a heading. Change the font. Change the size. Add some extra spacing. It's the spacing between the letters. And then we will go to Effects, Outline. You can choose the thickness of the outline here. So let's make it quite thick so that you can see it. You can also change the color of your outline. To illustrate the outline of an image, we need to have a cutout image. Now on Canva Pro, you can do it, and it's very easy. But if you don't have Canva Pro, I've got another free website that I can show you, and it's called remove.bg. It looks like this. So you will simply go upload image. I've got this cute little image that I've received from a client with one of the wedding card stickers that I made for them. Whew, this this was so fast I didn't even finish my story. Any case, so the background was a little bit busy, but the car is so cute. I would really like to use it. So I uploaded it. It removed the background instantly. Then you can either download the design or you can go to Add Design. And it will actually open it up in Canva for you if you signed in on that browser. I've uploaded the cutout photo to Canva, so Uploads, click on the photo. Let's make it bigger. We go to Edit Photo, Shadows, Outline. There you can choose the size, so how thick you would like the outline to be. The color, I want a very light gray, so that it matches the shadow there underneath the car. There we go. And the car's outlined. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something new. And if you've got any other questions, please let me know. Enjoy the rest of your day and bye-bye.